Hey guys, in this video we're going to be showing you how to make a water bottle sling with this piece of hardware right here. If you're on YouTube, we'll put a link in the description, but if you're on your website, you're probably already there. For this project you'll also need 10 feet of paracord in two different colors, or 20 feet in one if you just want a one color one. And then this carabiner here, we're using a whistle buckle, but you can use any 1/2-inch buckle you want, a cord lock, and then tools of a scissors and a lighter. Let's dive right in. So to begin, we're just going to melt our two different colors together. If you're using one color, don't need to do this step. Hold the ends together and don't touch it to your skin because that hurts. Once you have the cord melted together, we're going to take the black side of it, so just offset from your melt mark a little bit, and we're going to first push that fold through the cord lock. Next, we're going to bring it through our water bottle piece. Go up one side and down the other. We're not going to put the cord through this one over here. All right, just leave a little bit of slack there. And then lastly, we're going to put it through our buckle. We want to put it through the non-whistle side of our buckle. So bring your fold down through the hole. And you can just loop it around the buckle for our cow hitch, like that. Slide this back down most of the way, and leave a little bit of space with that cord lock. We want this cord to be able to open up and fit all the way around our water bottle piece. All right, so on this end, you want a little bit of black on both sides. So if your meld mark is way up here by your cord lock, you want to adjust that. Should be okay how I have it. We're going to trace our cords together down to the other end. It's best if they don't cross over each other, but we can adjust it later if they do. I'm going to detach our buckle halves and put these two ends down through our other half of the buckle. All right. We want to leave 8 inches of weaving room here with our cord lock backed up far enough that it can adjust how it needs to. So I'll measure out 8 inches. Go about there. And then to make this a little bit stronger, we're going to be running our core back underneath, back to our cord lock end. Now we're going to start our cobra weave and make the actual handle portion of this water bottle sling. So I'm going to start with our right side here. You'll probably want the most colorful cord in the middle, so that's going across the top. So start with whatever one that is. And then take our other one. So we've got a loop on the right side here. Then we'll take the other one, bring it down over that one, around the back, and up through that loop. So that is the start of our square knot or cobra knot or Solomon bar or whatever you're used to calling it. Pull that knot good and tight, but it's going to want to slide down, so you want to keep it right up there. You can tighten it better once we get our second knot on there. This time we're going to take that same colorful cord, put it over the top, but it's going to be on your left side this time. Then we'll take our right side cord, down over that, around the back, and up through the loop. So the second knot is just a mirror image of your first one. Now when we pull it tight, it shouldn't slide any place. But before we go any further, I'm going to just check to make sure that we haven't shortened our length here. And that is perfect. All right, so now we're going to keep on going with our cobra weave until we reach the buckle. So again, just to recap, right side over the top, left down and around the back. Pull that tight, and then do the mirror image. We'll speed through this and catch you at the end. there we are done. Let's just clip these ends and melt them down. Go about 1/4 inch from the ends, maybe even a little less than that. Then we can melt it and flatten it against the weave. All right, so now that that's done, let me show you how to put this on a water bottle. This ring here is designed for a wide mouth Hydro Flask style. We've got an off-brand here, but it works pretty well. You just want to spread the paracord apart and then fit it around the neck. And there's kind of a metal ring around here that we have to push it around. Like that. And then if you buy this in our store already assembled, it comes with this carabiner too that you can keep keys on. If your water bottle doesn't exactly fit this, it's kind of where the paracord going around comes in, and you can cinch this cord lock down for a more secure fit. Just snap your buckle together and you've got a handle ready to take anywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to make it for yourself, we put together kind of a shopping list down in the comments. So it'll link to all the hardware and the paracord used in making this. Before you go, we've got a little bit of an update on our paracord beanie, or rather a lack of update. There has been zero progress since we updated you last time. Still on just a couple rows. We're going to keep working on this and update you as we go. If you have questions for us, we'd love to hear feedback from you guys, whether it's on tutorials or our products or really anything. So let us know in the comments and we'll answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.